There's a moment in every software update where you tap one button, the screen blinks, and suddenly your phone feels like a totally different machine. That moment just arrived, and the features hiding inside this new build are the kind that make you wonder how your phone ever lived without them. Some are subtle upgrades, others feel straight up futuristic, but all of them change the way you use your device in small, addictive ways. Welcome back, viewers. James here. Like, share, and subscribe for more. So the new update rolling out brings a surprising mix of speed boosts, smarter controls, and a few exclusive upgrades that make the latest OnePlus device feel noticeably ahead. Right from the home screen, animations snap quicker, apps jump open without hesitation, and switching between tasks feels more fluid than ever. It's the kind of smoothness you only notice after you experience it once. And trust me, you're going to feel it immediately. One of the standout additions is the new motion comfort tool designed for users who get dizzy during travel. Instead of overcomplicated menus or sensors, tiny on-screen indicators shift gently as your vehicle moves, helping your eyes sync with your motion. It sounds simple until you try it and realize how much fatigue it quietly removes. Right after that comes a mode built for people who live online. Outdoor enhancement. It boosts reception, cleans up your connection, improves location accuracy, and even ramps up audio output when needed. We ran a quick test, flipped it on indoors, and the network jump was shockingly noticeable. That alone feels like a mini upgrade hiding inside the update. Gamers also get a major bonus with a faster launch accelerator. Open your favorite titles, and they load quicker than usual, almost like the phone knows you're impatient and gives you VIP access. Pair that with enhanced touch response, and you get a device that feels almost tuned for competitive moments. The Mind-based productivity hub has also evolved in a very cool way. Now you can record audio instantly using a shortcut key, and the app automatically summarizes everything. Search something inside your memories, and AI pulls results instantly. Even through voice notes. Add the deeper Gemini integration, and suddenly the phone feels like a pocket research assistant. There's also a new ultra-low brightness mode that drops the display intensity to near zero for night users. It's gentle on the eyes, especially when you're texting half asleep or checking notifications in complete darkness. And yes, the device finally gives you predictive swipe gestures, so you can preview the app behind your current screen with a smooth pull. Back animation. AI also steps into the camera gallery with relighting tools that fix shadows instantly, plus expression matching that picks the best faces from similar photos. Video editing gets upgraded too, with full 4K 120 fps export right inside the gallery. Then there's the AI writer pop-up in supported apps, which builds polished sentences for your posts or messages and even adjusts the tone. Casual, professional, dramatic. Whatever you want. The AI search inside settings is even smarter type of problem like eyes hurting, and it pulls up every related feature you can tweak. And just when you think that's it, the update adds deep home screen customization, widget stacking across third-party apps, dynamic tiles in the control center, new lock screen layouts, and full day always-on display support. All tiny things on their own, but together they make the phone feel refreshed in the best possible way. If you've been waiting for a build that genuinely feels upgraded instead of patched, this is the one. Drop a comment if you want a full breakdown of each feature in the next video.